Good evening, everyone. Myself Shivang Sharma, and today we are going to have an tutorial session on what is Express.js. Express.js is an open source web application framework for Node.js. What Express.js provides is a high performance server side application. It provides a wide range of features and utilities for web application development, such as routing, middlewares, template rendering. With Express.js, developers can quickly create server-side applications and handle HTTP requests, process data, response with dynamic content and data from a database. It also supports a wide range of middleware that can be used to add functionalities such as authentication, compression, logging, and more. Express.js is designed to be flexible and easy to use, allowing developers to customize and extend it to meet the specific needs of their application. Its modular structure and extensive support makes it one of the most popular framework for building web applications with Node.js. Now, it was the description about Express.js. Now we shall hop on to my computer screen and show some demo regarding this. First server in Express.js. So the step we have to follow is create a folder. You can see that SGL is the folder which we have created. Now move into that folder. We can move into that folder by using our terminal cd sgl. We have moved it now. We have to install npm express so that express modules of the express can be installed in this folder. Wait for a few seconds. Now, as we can see, there are the modules of the Express have been added in this folder. In this folder, now we have to add a server.js file. This would be the entry point for our server application. Now, we shall start write the code. We are creating an instance for an Express application. That's why we write const express require express. App is an instance of Express. So our server will get listen at port number 8000. Now we shall create an arrow function so that when the server will get listen, what we have to do after that. To check whether the server is live or not, we have to open the terminal and write node express node server.js. So our server has started at port number 8000. Now we shall create routes. We are making a get request on route slash. Make an arrow function. To pass a string in request body, we have to also use the body parser. So we'll use body parser here. You must not forget to install body parser in your application. We have created an instance of body parser. Now we shall use it. So we have created a GET request. So to check whether it's working fine or not, we shall start our server. Now, if the server is running at port number 8000, if we're at localhost 8000, we can see that LOG is getting printed. Now, next we shall create a post request. It was a GET request. Here we are defining the route. You can name the route the way you want. I'm writing at API parse, creating an arrow function. You can take the data from the body of the request. That's what we will do now. Sending the response that car submitted successfully. Uh, we can't see the post request from here. We have to use Postman for that. Like let me show you a demo. If you copy the URL and we paste it, yeah, we won't get anything because we can't get the post request from our browser. For that, we have to on Postman. So we have to make a post request. We have created a JSON object. Now we will hit the backend. There is some error. Let's start. The server started. So we were saving node1. We will do npm run dev. It's running successfully, and now we have learned how to use node1 and what is the use of using node1 in our application. So we were saving node1. We will do npm run dev. It's running successfully, and now we have learned how to use node1 and what is the use of using node1 in our application. So let's see the use case. If I write hello G, hi. So the server will restart again. We don't have to press Control C and run our server again. Node1 would initiate the server again and would update that. That's the that's the advantage of using Node1. So now we are going to walk through a Node.js application that processes uploaded PDF files using Adobe PDF service. Our goal is to extract text from PDFs, store the results, and export them into an Excel file. We will cover file uploads, text extraction, and data handling in an organized flow. Let's dive in it. Now, first, let's take a look at the dependencies. We have several modules achieve your goal that each one does. These are the dependencies that we have installed. Now, for what is Express, it is our web framework for handling HTTP requests. What is Multer? Multer is a middleware used for handling file uploads. What is Force? Allows cross-origin requests between backend and frontend. Uh, this is the API which we are using. Now the file system used for handling in Node.js. Now the second step is setting up the Express app. Second, after that we have to file upload. We have to do file upload handling. Now we configure the file uploading via Multer, which is here. Multer will store uploaded PDF in the uploads directory temporarily before processing them, extracting text from PDF. Here's where the things get interesting. Given a PDF is uploaded, we use the Adobe PDF SDK to extract text from it. This is the API which we are using. Now we define a post route extract. We define a post route extract text while handling the file uploads. We initiate service principal credentials given by Adobe. The PDF service objects allows us to interact with the Adobe PDF service API within 30 seconds timeout. Now the fifth step would be processing the uploaded PDF. Each uploaded PDF is processed using promise all to handle multiple file concurrencies. This is what I'm talking about. We loop each uploaded PDF, create a read stream, and upload it to Adobe PDF service. The SDK extract text elements from the PDF using extract PDF params. Sixth step is handling extraction results. After we get result, it comes into a zip file, so we can use addm zip to extract JSON file from it. Here we are using it. We download the result and write into a zip file using atom zip. The seventh step is parsing the data. Uh, Here we are parsing the data. We filter out the text elements from the JSON and process them to structure the data. We then store the results in an array called result. We in a result store with the array name. The eighth step is storing results in Excel. For that, we have a function process extracted text. We create a new Excel workbook and append a sheet with our extracted results. This Excel file is saved in the output directory. Accessing the results, we then access the results through this API route. Final step is running the server. The app.listens helps us running the server on port number 3000. Conclusion: in this session, we have walked through building a Node.js app that uploads PDF extracted structured data using Adobe PDF service and exports it to Excel. You can integrate the workflow into various projects, whether you need to extract data from invoices, academic reports, or other documents. Thank you, everyone.